Hello guys, so welcome to KO Tutorials. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial. So let's get started. So as you can see over here, we have started with the modeling of this office cabin over here. So now let's start creating this assets over here. So very first of all, what I'll be doing over here is like I'll be modeling this keyboard over here. For modeling this keyboard, let's take a circle over here. So this is a different kind of a keyboard. So let's first take a circle over here. After that, I'll just take a rectangle over here like this for the keyboard. So let's just keep the rectangle over here. After that, I want that it should a bit rotate over here. I'll just keep it in this way. Now, I'll go over here. I'll slightly scale this. Select this both, convert to editable spline. So select this part and let's just attach it over here. So I'll be just attaching it. So select this spline over here and you have an option that's called boolean. I'll boolean it with this and let's give a modifier called extrude modifier over here and I'll scale it and I'll keep this keyboard over here. I can slightly scale this and I can just shuffle it till here. Now after that we can convert to editable poly, select the polygons, the vertices. So select this edges over here. Let's go into this connect and I'll give multiple connects over here. So will not be much detailing that. It is not that visible over here. So I'll just reduce this. I'll click OK. I'll just give one color to it. Now I'll select the polygons over here. All of the top polygons. Now subtract this all. And let's slightly give a bit of inset by polygon. Click OK. Give a bit of bevel over here. So slightly I'll scale it. Not much. And reduce its height a bit. And let's click OK over here. So that's your keyboard ready with that. Now we'll be modeling this, the main part, your CPU over here. So select the vertices, slightly I'll shuffle it further if required. Now what I can do over here is like, I'll again go over here. I'll take a rectangle over here. So let's just take a rectangle. So take a rectangle over here like this. Now I'll go over here into this, convert to editable spline, select the vertices and let's give a bit of fillet to it. So once you have assigned a fillet over here, I'll again go down, enable in viewport make it rectangular. Select the length and width over here like this. After that, you can slightly reduce it more, it's looking too much. So we can reduce this, and I'll again go into the vertices. I'll slightly shuffle it a bit inside over here. After that, after that, I'll go into this. I'll convert to editable poly over here. I'll put one swift loop over here like this. I'll select the polygons over here. I'll just bridge it. Again, I'll go over here, select this whole thing, and let's just slightly extrude it further over here in this way. So what I can do over here is like, I can just mirror this part. So let's just mirror it in y-axis over here. I'll shuffle it till here. Select this. Select the polygons. So first of all, let's just attach it. Select the polygons and I'll just bridge it. So you can model it in this way. I can slightly just scale it down over here. After that, you can make some details over here if required. So I can just go into this. I can use a cylinder over here. I can just place it in this way, increase its height, select this, compound objects, pro boolean. I can just subtract the area where it is required. Again, select the box part over here. So let's just take a box over here. Slightly just shuffle it, duplicate it, select this, compound objects, pro boolean. I can just do that. So I can just give some of the details in this way for this. After that, we can go with this stuff over here. You can see there is some book also over here. So we can model this book over here. So let's do it. So before that, I'll just select this and I'll slightly just shuffle it till here. So let's just go into the standard primitives. You can take a diary or something, take auto grid, and you can just model that. So scale it over here, convert to editable poly, select this edges, and slightly I can give a bit of chamfer over here. I'll slightly reduce it, select this polygons, and I can go into this and I can slightly give an inset over here. So select this polygons. Okay, and extrude a bit, and let's click OK. So once you're done, you can extrude it very less, not much. Alright. So once you're done, you can just take a copy of it. So go into the vertices. I can just scale this. So I don't want to make it look more bigger. So I can just slightly just shuffle it over here in this way. Now, after that, so again go over here, take a line tool over here. I'll off this auto grid part. I'll just make a small kind of a vase. Let's give a lathe modifier. So I'll just assign a lathe modifier over here. So I'll again go into this vertices, select this, I'll push it down like this and scale it in this way. So scale it, make it look a bit bigger over here. So just place it on top of it over here. So you can go into this line, and if you want you can add a bit of refine also. You can add a refine if required. Okay, now looks much better. So again go into this and give a shell modifier. So after adding a shell modifier, you can reduce its outer amount very less and convert to editable poly. So again save the file over here. So now I'll just duplicate this book over here. I'll place it over here. So I'll scale it. I'll go into the vertices, select the vertices, slightly just push it up, go into this, shuffle it inside and make multiple copies over here. So again select the vertices, push it down, scale it, slightly rotate it, again duplicate that, rotate it. That's it. Alright, so definitely we need to create a laptop also, and we'll be modeling this part also. Alright, so just select this all and let's just assign up a color over here. So we'll be setting up one camera also over here. That can be done. So guys, if any doubts, please put it in the comment section over here. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. So if you're not subscribed yet, please do subscribe. So we'll continue the rest of the part in the coming tutorial. So thanks for watching this tutorial. So if any doubts, please put it in the comment section.